Hi, welcome on the board, guys. I hope you may see our channel. So, if you guys follow our videos, you may subscribe to channel. They will be help you a lot in our life manner to make study easy for you. So, just hit the subscribe button, and we already lost the 100 subscribers. Century is complete, so we are moving for the next task. Is just for 1,000. Okay, should we begin the lecture? Right. So today we are going to study again the famous book is that Nemraj Sunda. We'll cover some sets of one-liner questions. So they're frequently asked in the examination. It would help you to go through which kind of question that appear in the examination. So, right. So let's get started. So first question number one. What is the first question? That first question we already discussed, but that is the repetitive stuff. So we do have to read again the same question. So red soil are found in which state? They are asking for the particular state which have the dominant area of red soil. So answer we already know that is the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Correct. So this question is already discussed in the previous video. So we should move to the next one. So the second question is that the element that is responsible for 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 seed formation. Seed formation. Which, which element is responsible for the seed formation? That is phosphorus. What is that element name is? That is phosphorus. Phosphorus, phosphorus is that element that help in production of seed, responsible for seed formation. We know there is a bit to remember that phosphorus what? How you can remember this? Just remember the RAD. RADP is second to remember the bulk of phosphorus. R goes to information. A goes to density of ADP formation. And E goes to DNA synthesis. And P for phosphorus. So these are the important of phosphorus. Right. I think phosphorus is completely clear. Let's move to the next one. The third question about is that oxidation means what? What is oxidation? What is oxidation? Oxidation is simply addition of oxygen, right? Oxidation means addition of oxygen or loss of electron. What are the same things? Addition of oxygen is also oxidation, and the losses of electron is also oxidation. I think it's clear to you. If we go for the reduction, then the same thing would be the happen. What it is for reduction? Reduction case, we'll just do the opposite of that. Addition of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, and removal of oxygen. Or you can simply call that concept is addition of electron. That all three things goes to the same term of what is that reduction. Good. I hope it's clear to you. Let's move for the next one. So on the basis of population of microbes, normal populations of microbes in soil. So population of microbes in soil, they are asking for the dominance purpose. Which one is the highest and which one is the lowest? So we know the truth. We already discussed bacteria is the dominant one. Bacteria is highest in the soil. Then next microbe is active on cities in the soil. Cities. And the next lowest number that we have in soil is that fungi. All right. Bacteria is the highest that are found in neutral pH. Ectonomycetes is alkaline, and fungi is for acidic one. Good. All right. Let's move to the next one. The first antibiotic penicillin was discovered by. We are asking for first antibiotic. First antibiotic penicillin. Penicillin. It's discovered by. They are asking for a scientist. So who's the founder of penicillin first? So we already, this is a very famous question we have studied earlier in the school classes as well from the 10th class, like Alexander Fleming Center. Fleming is the founder of first founder of penicillin in America. So we move to the next one. Oldest method, oldest method of breeding for improving the rate. Two is they are asking for the oldest method. If the people who already slightly read about the breeding, so there is a, I think we call the process is natural selection. Environment itself to select the plants that are enough to survive in the environment itself uh, against the drought, unfavorable condition that mean. So the plant is selected by the environment. So first process is that to improve the variety itself is that selection. So selection is the oldest method to improve the varieties. Which clearly gets into the second one. So zinc deficiency is producing this kind of soil. So zinc deficiency. Zinc deficiency is produced in this soil. They are asking for the zinc deficiency in the particular soil. So answer is calcareous. Calcareous. Calcareous soil stuff. Soil that is deficient in zinc nutrient. Good. Let's move to the next one. The question number 7. Indeed, infested. Indeed, let me just pronounce the first question. Two questions. Let me read the first two questions. Then we get the answer. Okay. So, indeed, infested for mostly fishes are suddenly died. They ask, they are asking, breed infested, infested for fishes are dying suddenly. They are dying. So the reason they are asking for, we all know, when the number of plants or weeds or aquatic plant increases, then oxygen get lower in the quantity demand for the other animals that is the aquatic ones. So those are the aquatic ones. So they get less oxygen to the expedition. So that leads to the inconvenient for that to survive. So the reason is that less oxygen, lack of oxygen, you can say, due to deficiency of the oxygen, due to deficiency of oxygen. So that is the reason. Infested, weed infested prawns. This is our type. Great. Cool. Okay, move to the next one. Due to certification by attacking, due to water logging, due to water logging, the availability of which nutrient, which nutrient is increased, increased in rice field, in rice field. So they ask due to water log condition, which nutrient is increased in rice field. So answer is magnesium. So is the answer. Good. Thank you.